side table. This beautiful mushroom-style group has rattan frames and cotton coat upholstery with blue flower prints. And for a lovely room, there's 100 square yards of carpeting. Gorgeous maxim from Galaxy Carpet Mills. Features Anso 10 nylon for permanent resistance to static electricity. Affordable elegance from Galaxy in 24 beautiful solid colors. And for your next prize, there's a handsome set of luggage. Sashell durable luggage products made of waterproof nylon tack cloth. All pieces are lightweight, washable, and fold easily for storage from Sashell. And you're going to pack those bags for London. A round-trip coach flight for two from Los Angeles to London by a Pan American World Airways. Featuring gracious in-flight service, comfortable seating, and a pleasurable dining experience from Pan Am. In London, you'll stay 6 nights in the Sheraton Park Tower, situated in the heart of fashionable Knightsbridge. In theaters, restaurants, exclusive shops, and galleries, elegant accommodations, superb service is yours to enjoy at the Sheraton Park Tower. And then you'll continue on to romantic Paris. From London, you're going to fly to Paris, France. For a 6-night stay, modified American plan of the ultra-modern PLM Saint-Jacques Hotel on the exciting left bank. With 800 rooms, 4 restaurants, and shopping gallery, gourmet food, French hospitality at the PLM Saint-Jacques in Paris. And finally, you'll travel to beautiful Rome. From Paris, you'll get to Rome for a 6-night stay at the Roma Sheraton, Rome's newest modern luxury hotel with 700 rooms in a resort atmosphere. The Sheraton Roma offers convenience, excitement, swimming, complete health club, and tennis. And this showcase can be yours if price is right.
Rebecca, does this showcase belong to you or Adrienne?
I'm going to pass.
You are? Adrienne, it's yours. What do you bid on?
4,500.
$4,500. $4,500 is your bid. And back to Rebecca. Rebecca, look at your showcase.
Your showcase contains prizes for those of you that are hooked on the sea. And we're going to start our sea-going collection of prizes with this new sailboat. The AMFL Port Minifish, 12 feet of sailing fun. The fiberglass hull weighs 75 pounds, yet it holds up to 2 people with a total weight of 300 pounds, and it can be carried on your car top. And you can't go down to the sea without dressing the part, so we've thoughtfully provided this new sportswear. Yachting by Lowell Drivers. His and Hers Leisure Sportswear, constructed to produce quality fashion coordinates, designed in classic nautical styles to sea or shore. Yachting by Lowell Drivers. And next, you'll enjoy cutting across the waves in a new surf jet. The thrill of surfing, water skiing, and boating all in one. Powered by a jetcom controlled by a hydraulic system, enabling you to control your speed up to 30 miles per hour on the surf jet. But you'll never get all these sea-going goodies down to the water's edge without a new truck. Mazda's B2000 SE5 Sport Basic Truck. 5-speed overdrive transmission, smoker wheels with raised white leather tires. 2-liter overhead cam engine, rugged, economical from Mazda. Comes with California emission control and AM/FM stereo radio. And this showcase containing prizes for those of you that are hooked on the sea can be yours if price is right.
Well, Rebecca, what a great showcase. What do you bid on?
1,200. No, sorry. 12,500.
$12,500 is her bid. $4,500 is Adrienne's bid. And I'll bet you are going to be interested in finding out who has come closer, right? You will, after this.